Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. From today I'm starting a series called What If. So I will be making a playlist. You can like the playlist and I will be giving the link down below. So in this video I will be telling so today's topic is what would happen if the earth stopped spinning. So we know that the rotation of the earth is gradually slowing down. But so, in a few billion years, the earth could stop rotating. So, firstly, I am showing you this. Like you see here, the earth rotates like this. Sorry. Like you see here, the earth rotates like this. So, suddenly, if the earth stops spinning like this, what would happen? So, today's topic I will be covering that. So, firstly, I am going to tell you why is the earth spinning. You remember Newton's first law of motion? It states that an object remains in whatever state of motion unless another force act upon it. The earth is rotating because it's been doing that as long as it has existed. So it means that whenever an object is acted by another force, it moves. So the earth is rotating from the time it has been existed. So now, before there were planets in the solar system, there was a spinning nebulous cloud of dust with a sun at the center. So a cloud of dust, it was large, so forming larger and larger rocks and ultimately planets through a process known as accretion. But remember, the cloud of dust or accretion disk was rotating from the start. So it was rotating from the start, that's why it is spinning today, but it is gradually slowing down. As the particles that form the earth began to stick together, so some asteroids stick together and made the earth. So the earth was first only lava and rock. That momentum was conserved, causing the growing planet to spin faster and faster. So first, when the planet was made, it was spinning, it was going faster and faster and faster, but now it is slowing. So by the time the earth had formed, it had all of the angular momentum it would need to keep spinning to this very day. So by the earth was formed and it had water and everything, it had all the momentum it would need to keep spinning to this day. So I am going to show you these pictures that I have taken. See, first there were asteroids who collapsed with the nebulous clouds and they formed more dust. So this happened, the dust, and there was so much force in between that some asteroids collided with each other and there was a blast. So it made many planets like Jupiter, Earth, Mars, and so on. So afterwards, many small asteroids, big asteroids collided, and then suddenly the rain started and it formed the solar system. So in this topic, what would happen if the earth stopped spinning, I will be covering what will be the chances of an event and how would be the earth after this, and what if it happened in some billion years, what will the human face, and what would happen to the temperatures, and will the magnetic field be no more. So I will be covering these things. So first, what will be the chances of an event and how would be the earth? The probability for such an event is practically zero in the next few years. Is practically zero. If the earth stops spinning suddenly, the atmosphere would still be in motion. With the earth original 1100 mile per hour rotation speed at the equator. So the earth speed would be same as you see here the earth. So this is the photomagnetic field button. So the atmosphere speed will be same, and it will cause the earth, and all of the land masses would be clean of anything not attached to bedrock. This means rocks, topsoils, trees, buildings, you and your bedrock could be swept away in the atmosphere. So there are chances that you can survive. So now the next question. What if it happened in some billion years? If the process happened gradually over billions of years, situation would be very different. It is this possibility which is the most likely as the constant turning of the sun and moon upon the earth finally reaches this conclusion. So now if the rotation period slowed to one rotation every 365 days, a condition called sun synchronous, that means every spot in the earth would have permanent daytime or nighttime all year long. So if it would complete one rotation every 365 days, it would be so dark, or there will be so much light. This is similar to the situation on the moon, where for 2 weeks the front side is illuminated by the sun, and for 2 weeks the back side is illuminated. So illuminated means that light reaches only with that side. So this situation for the earth is not the condition of stopped rotation. So it is not the condition of stopped rotation. In this there will be, so in stopped rotation there will be 6 hours of that, 6 hours of that, or they could be permanent. But it is as close as the laws of physics will let the earth get. So now what will the human face? Where does that leave us? Humans are an adaptable species with powerful technology at their disposal, but survival in this new environment would be a challenge. So survival in this new environment would be a challenge. Sure, we could try to light our homes in the darkness and heat and cool them at great cost during wild temperature swings, but not everything would be under control. Could crops survive the extreme of this new world? Could any plants? If not, the entire food chain would be in danger. Perhaps we could find new crops or modify existing ones to tolerate this new environment. And there's also one thing that you can also, that in that time people can also make some greenhouses that supply that kind of energy with the plants need, or maybe we could become dependent on panels that return with warm water. It's actually a little comforting to think that while the world will probably become a hellish place to live, at least decorative hosta beds might be okay. So this is a joke. So the decorative hosta beds will be the same, but there will be so much of problem. So now what would happen to the temperature? Okay, for starters, earth would now take a whole year to do what it pulls off in a day, cycle from night to day and back. Cities will spend half the year in darkness and half the year in full sunlight. So this is when the earth suddenly stopped. That was if the earth slowed down. So just like the north and south poles do today, and like the poles, every region would still experience different season. So like the poles, there will be different season on everywhere. So but the temperature swings from season to season but greater for areas along the equator. So it will be colder, it will be hotter, it will be rainier, means that there will be more rain. An equatorial region would spend infinitely hot months very close to the sun, while that area's global counterpart would spend dark. So if India faces like the sun, the sun could be there every time. The earth would be there for 6 months, so the sun would be there. Because the sun rotates and the earth switches on its orbit, the other part will also get sun. So that's trouble for the plants and animals that are adapted to the climate of a region, consequently for the people living there as well, and other high energy particles. This is the significance biohazard. So there's no chance of there's no chance of suddenly stop of the earth in some billion years. So you shall not worry, but if it gradually slowed down, you will have to worry. So now, will the magnetic field be no more? Yes, there is a slight chance that the magnetic field will be no more. As for other effects, probably the magnetic field of the earth is generated by dynamo effect that involves its rotation. If the earth stopped rotating, its magnetic field would no longer be regenerated and it would decay away to some slow residual value due to the very small component which is fossilized in its iron rich rocks. So there would be no more northern lights and the Van Allen radiation belts would probably vanish, as would a protection from cosmic rays. So the vanish and the ozone layer could also. So get sunburns and the ultraviolet rays will also reach us. So there are chances that human beings can survive, but it would be very difficult. So it was this much for this video, and I will see you afterwards.